Hi everyone, this is Aki with another Divi video. So this one is about basically taking advantage of the elegant themes area and some of the available free layouts and headers, footers, or different kind of sections that you can download from elegant themes. So I'm in the members area right now, so I want to show you some of the things that are available to you if you purchase Divi. I have the lifetime membership and I think it's a really great deal, but if you have the annual one, you want to take advantage of what you have during your year. So obviously we have the Divi theme. So this is the theme that you can download to your website. Now, if you're using another theme, meaning like you're using another standard setup for your website, but it's not Divi, you can still use a Divi Builder plugin. So basically this is going to have similar options to Divi theme, but you can use another theme. So this is another options if you like your theme that you have, but you would want to have some of the abilities that Divi allows in designing a website. Then we scroll down, we have extra theme, which is another theme. I've used it before. It kind of looks like a newspaper theme. It's good for like magazines or online magazines or specifically if you have a lot of different things on your website. Now there's also Bloom, which is an email opt-in plugin, which I have not used, but I have used the Monarch plugin and I really like this one. Maybe I'll do a video on this. I've used it on all of my websites and it runs very smoothly. It's easy to configure and it has all the ability to share on social media for a lot of the networks. Now when you scroll down to the bottom, this is where a lot of these interesting things are available that people don't know about. If you click on the Divi right there, layout library. So layout library is basically showing you all the layouts. Right now there's 255 layout packs. So layout packs is basically, if you click on it, it has not just one page, but it has multiple pages for the layout, like home, about, blog, contact, portfolio, projects. So it's really useful and you can preview it right there. You can also click view live demo to go and see how this would look as an actual website. And like these pages are clickable right there, so you can see how they would look actually. Okay, so let's go back. Now if you this sign right there saying available in Divi, it means that it's available when you go to Divi and you're designing it. You can pull it from the Divi library in WordPress in your website. So that's a useful thing. Now let's see what other things. Okay, now live demo. So this is another option that's really helpful. If before you're purchasing Divi, you can use this live demo to start building, take the tour, and basically see how Divi would work if you were to purchase it. So this is really fantastic option. If you're thinking about it, you're not sure, and I have actually done it before I purchased. I've done this. I went about just testing it out before I purchase it. So that's another great option. Divi Marketplace. So this is basically you can purchase a lot of Divi related child themes, extension plugins, layout, and so on. But and they usually have the packs, like these packages that you can purchase a bunch of products. Then let's see what else do we have here. Divi reviews, obviously that will be biased because it's on the elegant theme. Now let's see. I want to show you another thing. Okay, here under blog, there's two things that I use. The Divi Resources. So here, if you click on that and you want to find out, you want to download a bunch of different type of headers. So many times Divi sends you an email with like any kind of, new packages that they have available for their account users, members, and I usually download them right away. But if you haven't, you can just come here and you can search and see what has been recently done by Divi for their members. And so you like right here, you see we have something on March 26, 2022, 18 of March and 10. And you can just click on it, view full post. And many times they're just talking about what's available in the package. And if you just keep scrolling, usually in mid-range, like middle of the page, you have this download for free. But you do have to be verified that you have membership. So you have to enter email address and download, and you're able to download it. And I'll show you in another video how to upload that pack. Like if you have the files downloaded, how to use them. And then let's see, what else do we have? Another one that I use a lot is also the blog. I've used it a lot, especially at the beginning when I was just learning. It's the same thing. You can just search for different things, and kind of similar things come up. But basically, also what I like, they usually have like, let's say we want to do hero sections. Like it usually has, for example, sometimes it has like a blog that describes step by steps how you would design it. You see right here. And then sometimes there's also a video. And I actually put together like an Excel sheet with, which tutorials are really helpful, which were helpful for me in learning Divi, and using some of the options that I have available, because it can be overwhelming at the beginning, how to go about using it. So you see, like I was able to, and at the very top, this one, because sometimes the blog is just takes you step by step how to, do things, and you are not able to download any files, but like this one does. So some tutorials are just like step by step. They might include the actual file, and they may include also a video, companion video to the blog, and some just have step-by-step instructions. So you have to kind of look at it. And I did put together an Excel sheet that has some of the ones. I mean, I have not updated in over a year, but it should get you started. So I'll link it in the video as well. So I think, this hopefully this helps you take advantage of your Divi membership and some of the things that are available on the Divi website. So thanks for watching.